Hey guys, welcome to London. I got here yesterday. Here is the view outside my hotel. Not too bad. So I'm actually only going to be here in London for a couple of days. So I figured I would just walk around the city, probably go to Buckingham Palace today, go to Big Ben, because they're right by each other. And yeah, just kind of show you guys around the city a little bit. So let's get to it. There's the classic telephone booth. Pretty dirty, and I doubt it works. This is a pretty narrow sidewalk next to this park here. So about 39 minutes away, 39-minute walk away from Buckingham Palace. So, which actually I don't think it's quite 39 because it doesn't look very far. It looks pretty much you just take another walk straight, turn, and then you just walk straight and you get there. So, oh, we'll see. Okay, so I'm at the park that Buckingham Palace is located in. They have all this fence up, so I guess I have to walk around the outside here and then it leads me to it. I'm not sure, because Google Maps wanted me to go straight through and I would have, but there's a fence. So, and I thought maybe it's just there, but it literally goes on forever, so I guess there must be another entrance. So it looks like they're still taking down all this stuff from, I believe it was like their birthday a few days ago. So it looks like Buckingham Palace is closed. So I'm gonna see if I can get closer, but I don't know if I'll be able to get any closer than that. But I'm gonna try to. But there's a whole bunch of like construction in this park trying to take everything down. So I don't think I'll be able to get any closer. Yeah, there's a ton of people here. And there's also a lot of police. So yeah. So it's kind of a letdown that it's closed. Or, I mean, I don't think it's necessarily closed, but like you can't get anywhere close to it, like what you'd normally be able to, which is really unfortunate. But you know, it is what it is, I guess. So I guess I'll go try to find Big Ben. I like this street with all the flags. I go all the way down the street, which I've seen this shop before, of all the flags. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to ask a cop where Big Ben is, because I'm a little bit confused, and Google Maps is not always the most accurate. So let's see if I can find it. Not sure who this is, but some type of like motorcade. I have to stick around and see if anyone else comes by. This area is pretty cool. There's a lot of government buildings, a lot of flags. There's the embassy of Malaysia right there. I'll have to go a little bit closer up there so you can see it better. But it's located just outside of the Buckingham Palace area. Like as soon as you leave like the gate area, it's here. Yeah. So I thought I saw Malaysia's flag. So there's Malaysia's embassy in London. This is a pretty cool area out here with all the buildings and flags and things. So there is Canada's embassy. You can see they have the Canadian flags. They have a big embassy. There's a security guard outside. I can see him, which it might be a little hard to see on the GoPro because it's a lot wider instead of like zooming in. But there's Canada's embassy, and it's also Malaysia's embassy just right down there. So they're really close together. Okay, so it's pretty loud over here, but it's got a UK flag, England flag, and 2 postcards for £15, which is a pretty good price to get all that stuff. So it's all in this bag. So I always collect the flags of each country, of every country that I go to. So it's pretty nice to be able to get all that stuff, and for pretty cheap. So right now I'm walking to Big Ben. Oh, there it is. It's really hard to see on GoPro, but I see it right there. So I'm gonna walk over there and show you guys. I was also able to exchange the money. I exchanged 20 US dollars, and it was like 13 pounds. And I have a couple coins in my pocket, but here's a 10-pound note or bill. I don't know. I believe maybe they call them notes instead of bills, but here's what it looks like. Pretty cool. But all right, now it's time to go to Big Ben. It's a beautiful street with all these buildings. There's a lot of tourists. And I'm not entirely sure what all these buildings are. I'm sure they're like government buildings because there's a lot of police. But yeah, Big Ben should be up here somewhere. I think once I get out of the way of these trees here, I should be able to see it again. But yeah, this is a beautiful street. So I wish I could like get in the middle and take a picture, but there's too many cars. It's like another motorcade. Let's see who this is. Oh. I have no idea who it was, but it must be someone important. So there is Big Ben, and then there's a lot of other government buildings, Parliament building. There's some protesters right there. There's some Trump supporters right above my finger there. They have a couple Trump flags. But yeah, there's a lot of police around here. So, but yeah, anyway, let's go over to Big Ben. There's a lot of construction, but here is the Parliament building. As you can see, lots of construction. And right there is Big Ben. Kind of hard to see because the tree's in the way. There's Big Ben. So I'll try to find the good picture spot that everybody gets for Big Ben, and I'm gonna go there. So there's the famous Ferris wheel, and you can turn this way, and there's the Parliament building and Big Ben. So this is a really cool spot. This is Westminster Bridge right here. It's a beautiful area, really cool spot. Never thought I'd be here. There's a plane up there. But yeah, so this would be a good spot for a picture for sure. Alright guys, so I'm back in my hotel here in London, and I would have liked to have filmed more, but my SD card on my GoPro decided to get corrupted, so I had to stop filming to come save all my footage. Otherwise I would have lost all my footage if I had formatted my SD card. So I was able to save all of it. I'm editing the video right now, but I lost the last clip of me doing the closing for the video, just saying that it was pretty much over. So that's kind of what this is. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully it gave you a good look at London, and I will see you guys in the next video.